How to request a replacement Truist debit or credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to replace your Truist debit or credit card, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to request a replacement easily through the Truist website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here, once you search for the Truist Bank on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to select card or card services. And after that, you simply have to find and click on request replacement card and on the next page you simply have to enter and fill in all the details such as the card you want to replace and the reason for replacement and then submit your request. And after that, you'll get a confirmation message once your request is processed. And that's it. That's how you can request a replacement Truist card online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.